A typical workday is usually depends on what we have going on. But you're at the project site early, I usually get here between 6 and 6:30, depending on if some days I have to run to our shop and pick some stuff up. What Miron does is every morning we have what we call a stretch and flex, or a team huddle, where all our employees that are on site, we have a safety meeting in the morning, kind of describes what they're doing for the day, and some of the tasks that are going to be associated with it, the risks that they have, and then it's from there they go out, and then what I have to do is basically make sure that stuff's coordinated, deliveries are coordinated, keep the project schedule, keep that updated, make sure everybody's staying on schedule, and then dealing with any questions that contractors have throughout the day. That's the biggest one. Plan questions. If there's a question on a drawing that we don't understand, make sure we get it to the architect so we can get an RFI response and get that answered. To making sure submittals are in, which on everything that we put up has to be submitted on and approved by the architect. So to make sure them are in and submitted and approved, and we have them back so that the materials are ordered so we can get them in a timely manner. So there's a lot that goes on a daily basis. I mean, every day is different. That's one thing nice about what I do, and what I like is no day, it's not repetition. Every day is something different. So that's basically my day in a nutshell.